Certainly, Mr. De Castro, may I kindly request a valid identification card, please? Thank you. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation. I have confirmed your booking for deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Very well. May I request to you, please complete this registration form.
Of course.
Thank you. How will you prepare to settle your payment?
I will be paying by a credit card.
Certainly, kindly insert your card into the terminal. Your payment has been successful processed. Here is your room key. You have assigned to room 05. Please be informed that breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Our restaurant and our standard check-out time is 12 a.m.
Thank you very much.
It is our pleasure. Should we require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact the front desk. We wish you a pleasure and stay with us.
Thank you.
Bellboy, can you assist Mr. De Castro?